If you've missed any of the earlier episodes of the Great Tastes series and want to see the shows and get all the recipes, go to greattastesmb.ca. Watch them when you want to watch them.
Welcome back to Great Tastes of Manitoba. We are hanging out tonight with Heather Dybert from Manitoba Mushrooms, and we're making it at home tonight. And so, because it's so easy to just go to the store and buy pre-made, pre-boxed. You're tired, it's the end of the week, you know, who wants to start this whole big process? And so what we're doing is we're creating recipes tonight that are super flavorful, but also really easy. So, you know, maybe a little bit of extra effort, but not a lot.
Not a lot.
And you're making up so much taste, right? Okay, so we are doing our Skillet Mushroom Lasagna.
Yes.
One pot.
One pot, yeah. Again, only a large enough skillet that will hold all the ingredients. And we've started with a half a pound of the hot Italian sausage.
When you say hot, I guess you could go with mild if you wanted to.
Depending on your family's preference, you definitely, that's where some choices can be made.
Sure.
And this is a really easy recipe to make instead of buying frozen. Right?
Exactly.
Or taking all day to make, you know, a lasagna. This is so quick, it's in one pan, and again, one pan, very quick and easy. So we've started with a bit of garlic and the hot Italian sausage. Again, it's an easy way to extend a half a pound of meat, right? Any kind of ground meat. So we're gonna start with that. Into this, we're gonna add some chopped onion. So I'll get you to stir while I'm adding.
Peak of the market onion, of course.
Yeah.
We're so fortunate. We've got all this amazing produce right here, Manitoba, and some peppers as well.
And some red peppers, yes.
Love it.
Okay, and again, nice color and nice flavor. And of course, the star ingredient in the mushroom recipe is, it's 4 cups of sliced, and I've used both white and cremini. Again, great way to introduce a different mushroom to your family.
Well, and you know what, ever since we've met, cremini is like, I'm all about the cremini. I love them. I have them in my fridge pretty much all the time because, as you say, there is so much you can do with them. And yeah, you've got a little bit of ground beef or turkey or whatever it is that you have. You throw in some mushrooms and it just goes so much further. And again, the flavor too, like the, you know, I just love mushrooms. Okay.
And so we're gonna saute, blend the flavors. Again, it's a few minutes. The juice from the Italian sausage will help to cook down. The juices will come out of the mushrooms. It gives you a really, really flavorful mixture. Okay. So into this, we're also going to add some seasoning.
Okay.
And
is all that going in?
Yep. So this is
oregano,
basil, and oregano.
Okay.
Yeah. So about a teaspoon of each. Okay. So you're going to mix that in, and again, gives us some nice flavors. And you can either use your homemade if you make your own, or bought spaghetti sauce. Again, trying to get it nice and quick and easy, but still lots of good flavors.
Exactly. So taking shortcuts where you can without having to buy the box.
Yeah. So again, this is why we need to start with a nice large pot.
Gets full pretty quick.
It does. It gets full pretty quick.
Okay.
And the beauty of this recipe is that it will cook in this pot. Then we're going to top it with a few things. We're going to broil it in the same dish, pot, and then it goes to the table.
Easy.
So again, what we like to say about this recipe is it's good enough for company, but easy enough for a weeknight meal.
I like that. Okay, so now we've got all this other stuff here.
Yes. So I'm going to get you, at this stage, what you would do is that
what's going in first? The
ricotta cheese is going to go on top. So after we've sautéed this, of course, the mushrooms would cook down. And then you're going to top the mixture with...
I'm doing this?
Yeah, just sort of dollops of ricotta cheese. And this is just the part skim. And again, dollops, or you can, you know, put it on and then spread it around. Okay? And then this is kind of icing. Right? You're icing your lasagna.
Okay. I'm like not being super...
No, that's okay, because it'll melt.
Artistic.
Right? And it'll create a really nice creamy flavor.
Yeah. I feel like I'm taking too long here.
No, that's okay. No, that's...
The pressure's on to make it look sort of nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, and at this stage then what we're going to do is we're then going to top it with some mozzarella cheese.
So same kind of deal.
Same kind of thing.
Okay.
Again, this is like the decorative icing on the icing.
Oh, I love it. And you know when this is coming out of the oven, this is going to look so good. Yeah.
And so what you can do is use an oven-proof skillet. So what I do sometimes is I'll just put foil on the parts that you really, you know, don't feel can go in the oven. And it really shields them. This then goes right into the oven. and you broil it for about 5 minutes.
And we have our noodles here, so...
Yes, the noodles will go in as well.
Okay,
Yeah,
perfect.
So they go in, and then you create this nice skillet mushroom lasagna.
So cheesy, so delicious and wonderful. And you know, one of the things I thought about is that I'm sort of trying to teach my oldest to cook a little bit. And so this would be kind of a good recipe, like not super complicated, but the, you know, homemade food and sort of the value of making it at home, which is what tonight was all about, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so there we go. Skillet mushroom lasagna. I know Aaron Alblas had all kinds of things he was thinking about when he left here. So we're going to find out what he decided to do. We'll do our beverage pairings when we come back on Great Tastes of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by Manitoba Liquor Mart. Enjoy responsibly.